Hey guys, how you doing? This is Captain Chaz with the Thunder Party Boat here in beautiful Hernando Beach, bringing you your October's fishing report. So the great thing with October is weather's getting a little cooler. We have some fronts moving through, which is great. We're in our gag grouper season right now, so as it cools off, these fish tend to bite more and more. They move in a little closer. We're not having to make as far of a ride to get to our fish, so it's great. Gives you more fishing time, and the cooler things get, the better things get. So we're looking forward to a good season here. So Thunder Party Boat is an offshore charter. It's a party style charter, so you can rent the boat privately to your group alone, but the great thing about it too is if it's just yourself, you got the family, we can accommodate all those things. Whether it's an open style charter or a private style charter, we can offer both of those things for you. Always offshore, 20 to 40 miles on normal day trips, and we also offer extended trips to get out for your red snapper and different species like that. If you guys would like some more information about us, Thunder Party Boat, please visit our website and feel free to like us on Facebook. Give us a call, we'd love to get you out and have a great day on the water.